First we start by taping our letters, trying to reduce all the little gaps between the plastic and metal surface, so the glue doesn't run through. A little extra time is best to be spent here so the gluing procedure goes smoothly. Now we wipe down the joint surface using our Acrylic cleaner to get the joint ready for glue. This is not completely necessary, however, it makes sure the joint is ready to go and the job goes smoothly. This procedure is the same with our products Acrylic 204, Acrylic 205 and Acrylic 290 metal. Here we are using AB204 as it is crystal clear as well as fast drying. AB205 is also crystal clear, just has a longer working time, and AB290 metal is a milky white glue which is also suitable for this job as you won't see the colour through the other side, same as with the transparent ones. Now we apply the product on the corner keepers and use little clamps to hold it on whilst it tacks down. Now, we start from the furthest side of the clamps to give the corner keepers some time to tack. We apply a generous amount all around, however not too much. This amount will seal the joint perfectly. You are able to use even less, however, and get the same results. The best way to do this is to apply pulling away from the glue coming out of the static mixer, and not towards, as going forwards creates uneven spots and blobs rather than a nice consistent stream of glue. You may need to turn the letter whilst you are doing this to get the suitable angles. As you can see, the static mixer emits a steady stream of glue. You can also use the applicator bottles if you wish, however it is not necessary as the static mixer does it well enough. As you can see here, the product is transparent and clear. Our other product, AB290M, has a milky white color, which is suitable for this color acrylic, but may not be for others. There is no seepage of the glue through the metal to the plastic bond through to the other side as well. Now we've taken the tape off and are shining a light behind the letter. As you can see, there are no glue marks at all that can be seen on the presentation side. Lastly, we prepare the product to be sent to a customer by spraying it with our anti-static cleaner. We just use a microfiber towel to buff it.